Number 8. Product information. Material stainless steel, silicone color, khaki brand, Owanao, size 14.65, 4x4, 48 in product dimensions, 14L 4.6W item. Weight, 3.15 pounds. Number of pieces, 18 is dishwasher safe. Yes, handle material, stainless steel manufacturer, Owanao, Asin, B088DDHBS3, country of origin, China. Item model number, silicone kitchen utensil sets. Customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5 stars, 5,954 ratings. Best sellers rank, #1, 782 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. #13 in cooking utensil sets. Date first available, May 9th, 2020. This large silicone cooking utensil set by Owanao is a must-have for any passionate home cook or professional chef. With its high-quality materials and versatile range of utensils, it offers exceptional value and functionality for your kitchen needs. One of the standout features of this set is the combination of stainless steel and silicone materials. The stainless steel handles provide durability and a sturdy grip, while the silicone